Good everyone, my name is Graphics. If you look at the left hand side of the screen, you're going to see a given figure there, right? And we are to reproduce that figure you see on the screen using your grid, right? And we'll draw them in isometric projection. First of all, this grid is inclined at what? 60 or 30 degrees to the horizontal. So I don't really need a set square or a T square. I only need my ruler, whereby each of these box you see represents 10 millimeter vertically or horizontally, right? So what I will simply do here is this. I'll pick any point of my choice. Let's say I'm higher. I want this A here. Let's call it to be my A, right? Now, if you look at the total height, let's calculate it from this box, this base here. From here to the first box is 1. That is, this is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes upward. Are you with me now? 7 boxes upward. So from here, I'll count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at this point here. So I'll just take my meter rule and I'm going to draw a straight line up. Can you see that? So let me bring this down a little bit. Now towards the left side this way, if you count the box on this point A here, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 50. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that horizontal line that connects to this point. So let me say to point B. This point C here. Just see what I'm doing. So I'm going to tick in it. Can you see that? Then towards the top too, if you look at this, this is moving to this side. It's ending where this is meeting, the same distance. So I'm going to do that too to that point D. Can you see that? Then I'll close it up, just like what you're seeing. C to D. So I've gotten the first face up. So A, B, C, and what? D. Now the next one is, if you're going to this side from this same point D here, if you count on that line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is what? 7. So I'm going to measure what? 7 to that particular point, right? So that's what we're going to do. So let me bring it down. So you count 7 box to E. So from this line, where the E, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see that? That is 70. So I'll take in my line from to that point. Can you see that? Then the next one again is just, this is your point E. Then I can come here to the same line where they meet at what? Let's call it point F. So I'm going to take in that up to what? Point F. So let's take it to see what we're talking about. So this is from this point to this point. Hope you can see that. So come here now, close it up. From F straight down, if I get to the next box here, from this point here, from A, I'll count 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'll count 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is where it ends. To that point, let's call it maybe G. Right? Then it's going up. From here, you count 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 again. 0, 1, 2, 3. It's ending here. So I'll call it H. Can you see that? Then going towards the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll taking it again to that point. Then I'll bring this down to touch it. Can you see that? Now the next thing is I'm going to do the needful here, right? I'm going to move from here to here. I will just move from this point to this point, and that is 10. So that means from here to here. I'll do this, right? Also to this point too, 10. That is for that side that is being extruded, right? And I'll close it up as you can see from the diagram. Can you see that? And I'll bring it straight down to where this line and this line meet, which is here. Can you see that? And here also where this line and this line meet. Can you see that? Then I'm going to close it up. Hope you can see that, right? So successfully reproduce that figure using your grid. So it's as simple as you can imagine. Each of the box is 10 millimeter or otherwise stated. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.